Okay, we are recording again, part 2 of the emotion faceplates tutorial. Believe I've got these set for Rainbow Dash here. Okay, and Rainbow Dash is the playable character, so get this vidshot stuff out of here. Edit. Believe I have a part of Twilight's dialogue here, where Rainbow Dash is essentially complaining to her, and it gets a little bit funny. Earplugs, retreat, primary. I think it's Y rain-coded. Yeah. PC is short for playable character, Rainbow Dash. Let's see. Use annoyed there. Twilight, feel like I'm cosplaying a banana here. Think after that, clear. Have her roll her eyes. It's different for them. Then go back to, I think, annoyed. Let's see, current NPC. Twilight, what do I want her to say? I believe I have one for suspicious. That is the annoyed one, which I used earlier, I believe. This is different. We're talking about a storm. Some effects could be unpredictable. Actually, I think after she says that's unpredictable, I have her change back to happy. Then here, I think I want her to look worried. Okay. Let's try uh-oh. See if that works. Let's see, I want Rainbow Dash to look kind of dismissive. Let's see what we've got so far, though. I clicked the wrong button. Twilight, I feel like I'm cosplaying a banana here. Do you really think a veteran weather pony like me really needs to wear all this rain gear? I mean, it's different for Blue Storm and Thunder Artist. They're both ground spotters. It's their job to get rained on. Spike's a baby, and you're a princess, so I can see why you'd want a rain gear. Probably I should have her expression a little bit different here. Let's see, but me, I'm the best young flyer, a wonderbolt. If anybody saw me wearing this, they'd think I'd gone totally soft. This is different. We're talking about a magically enhanced storm here. Some effects could be, well, unpredictable. That's the whole reason we're doing this experiment. Imagine lightning that keeps striking you again and again. Yeah, that's apparently her worried expression, gasping. I can dodge that. Yeah, the rest of this isn't really working all that well, so I need to get back to setting these. What do I want for this? Probably rolling the eyes. I did it again. Hopefully that closing it like that won't cause any issues. Roll eyes. I can dodge that. Want the command. Man. Need to get used to this again. Then imagine heat-seeking hailstones. Select emotion. Still not impressed. Select emotion. Let's go with uh-oh there. Imagine raindrops that magically stick to your wings. Let's see. Glue-like raindrops that magically stick to your wings so you can't fly. At this point, she's going to be saying uh-oh too, so I'm not going to add another emotion format command after that. Let's see. Her first reaction with those exclamation marks is going to be panicking. And she says, if the weather gets too intense, I can borrow that other umbrella, right? And then I want Twilight to laugh, so switch to lol for that one. Absolutely. Let's preview this. Ugh, Twilight, I feel like I'm cosplaying a banana here. Do you really think a veteran rain weather pony like me needs to wear all this rain gear? I mean, it's different for Blue Storm and Thunder Artist. They're both ground spotters. It's their job to get rained on. That's a job that exists pretty much only in my headcanon. I don't know why all this flickering is happening, but it only happens for the preview, so I'm just not going to worry about it. Spike's a baby, you're a princess, so I could see why you'd want rain gear. But me, I'm a best young flyer, Wonderbolt. If any pony saw me wearing this, they'd think I'd gone totally soft. This is different, Rainbow Dash. We're talking about a magically enhanced storm here. Some effects could be, well, unpredictable. That's the whole reason why we're doing this experiment. Imagine lightning that keeps striking you again and again. Pfft, I can dodge that. Then imagine heat-seeking hailstones. Still not impressed. Imagine glue-like raindrops that magically stick to your wings so you can't fly. If the weather gets too intense, I can borrow that other umbrella, right? Absolutely, Rainbow. So that is adding emotion faceplates to the level. I believe I've gone over it for how you add them to the dialogue, how you set the faceplates for speaker NPCs, custom NPCs, and the player character. I've gone over setting the hierarchy up, so let's save it. Test Twilight Emotions 8. No need to pack it. Let's fire up the game. Test Twilight Emotions 8. The faceplates are still in use here at the bottom of the screen for what I'm calling the scoreboards, even though there's no actual score. It's got the health of the characters there. Let's see, talk to Twilight. Let's see, why am I wearing a rain suit? Ugh, Twilight, I feel like I'm cosplaying a banana here. As you can see, it's following exactly the same way it worked in the editor, except there's no little flashy thing here, thank goodness. Now, these emotion faceplates are not automatic. If I go to this, can I have the other umbrella one? It uses the original faceplate right there. And it does the same thing with Twilight. So until and unless you actually tell it to use those emotion faceplates, it's not going to. And we'll say start the rain. This one was set up. And there's Spike. And his eyes are narrowed because it's kind of pinchy at the tip. We'll have Rarity fix that some other time. Back to the list. Now, this actually sends a signal out to Spike, and that triggers out some more dialogue later. So you actually have to go to each of the dialogues and set these emotions up. So, as you can see, it went right back to Spike's original faceplate, and it's going to do the same thing with Twilight. And there it is. So that's emotion faceplates. I think that it's going to do a lot for helping the game come to life. I mean, it adds more work, and it's technically optional because you can just set it up to use these sorts of faceplates and not even bother with the emotions if you feel like it. So that's pretty much it.